Hello and welcome once again dito sa aking munting channel. Kung kayo ay bago lamang dito, pahit ng notification bell at ng subscription button bilang suporta sa aking munting channel. Maraming salamat. Sa araw na ito ay isa na namang aralin ang ating tatalakayin. Tingnan natin tong problem na ito. So, sabi dito, Jacob plans to use his time during summer break to raise funds and save for the coming school year. So he then decides to sell his homemade calamansi juice for the first batch that he produces. He has 33 liters of juice. So how many bottles can he fill if each bottle contains 3/5 liters? So ito po ay ating aralin, dividing fractions. So how to divide fractions, particular sa mga grade 5 students. Okay? Balikan natin ang problem. Sabi dito, Jacob plans to use his time during the summer break to raise funds. So si Jacob ay nagplano na gamitin ang kanyang oras sa panahon ng kanyang summer break para makapaglikom ng pondo at makapag-ipon para sa susunod na pasukan. So napag-isipan niya na magbenta ng homemade calamansi juice. So ang unang batch na kanyang nagawa ay 33 liters ng juice. Ilang bote ang kanyang magagawa kung ang kanyang paglalagyan ay naglalaman ng 3/5 liters. Okay, so to solve the problem, you have 33 liters will be divided into 3/5 liters bottles. Okay, so this is done as follows. So we have 33 divided by 3/5 is equal to 33 multiply and use the reciprocal of 3/5, that is 5/3. So now that is equivalent to 33 times 5 divided by 3. The answer will be 55 bottles. Okay, let us check. So 55 times 3/5, that is equivalent to 33. Okay? Next, how to divide fractions. Paano nga ba mag-divide ng fractions? Okay, sabi dito, ang step 1 is to find the reciprocal of the divisor. Yung kabaliktaran ng divisor. So halimbawa, meron tayong A over B divided by C over D. So C over D is the divisor and it will become D over C. So ito yung divisor natin, yung C over D magiging D over C kasi ito yung reciprocal. Okay, step number 2, multiply the dividend and the reciprocal of the divisor. So instead of using division, sa halip na gumamit tayo ng division dahil sa pinalitan na natin yung ating operator, naging multiplication na. So yung gagamitin natin ay ang reciprocal ng divisor. So, halimbawa, yung A over B divided by C over D ay magiging A over B times D over C. Next step is to cancel common factors in the numerator and denominator, then multiply the resulting fractions. So, ginagamit din po natin dito yung proseso ng pagsasagot sa multiplication of fraction. Okay, and then step number 4 is to reduce the product to lowest term. So, how to divide fractions? We have an example, 4 over 7 divided by 10 over 14. Rewrite again 4 over 7 and then change the operator times, okay, the reciprocal of 10 over 14 is 14 over 10. Now, pag nakuha na natin yung sagot, yung reciprocal na ganito, anong gagawin natin is to cancel common factors between the numbers. Okay, so we have 4 and 10. The common factor is 2. So, cancel out 4, it will become 2. Cancel out 10, it will become 5. Okay, dito naman sa kabila, 14 and 7, the common factor is 7. So, cancel out 14, it will become 2. And then, cancel out 7, it will become 1. Okay, now, multiply. So, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. And 1 times 5 is equal to 5. Right? So, ang sagot natin ay 4 over 5. Alright, so next, another example, we have 3/10 divided by 8 over 15. Rewrite again, 3 over 10, change division to multiplication. Okay, so reciprocal of 8 over 15, 10 over 8. Now, compare. So 15 and 10 are the only numbers that have common factors, that is 5. So cancel out 15, it will become 3, 10 will become 2. Now multiply 3 times 3 equals 9 and 2 times 8 is 16. Okay, so ito na ngayon ang ating sagot. Okay, dahil walang common factor, wala siyang lowest term. Okay, next, how about dividing whole numbers and fractions? Okay, example, we have 3 divided by 2/5. So, anong gagawin sa whole number? Convert it into a fraction. So, gagawin natin siyang 3 over 1. So, the same as the rules in multiplying fractions. Okay, so yung whole number ay gagawin natin siyang improper fraction. Okay, and then, divided by 2 over 5. Isulat natin ulit. So, that is equal to 3 over 1. And then, multiplication. And then, the reciprocal of 2/5 is 5 over 2. Okay, compare. Nakita natin na wala silang common factor. So, multiply. So, 3 times 5 is 15. And 1 times 2 is 2. Now, nakita natin ang sagot ay isang improper fraction. So, 15, the numerator is bigger than the denominator. We are going to divide 15 by 2. So we get 1 as the remainder, copy the denominator, and then write the whole number beside it. So we have 7 and 1/2. Okay, another example, we have 4/7 divided by 9. Ang divisor natin ay isang whole number. Okay, so anong gagawin? So that is equal to 4/7 divided by, write 9 as the numerator and use 1 as denominator. So meron tayong improper fraction. Now, write again, 4/7 multiply by reciprocal of 9 over 1 is 1 over 9. Okay, compare and cancel out. So wala tayong maka-cancel out. Let us proceed to multiplication. So 4 times 1 is 4 and 7 times 9 is 63. Okay, that is how to divide whole numbers and fractions. Okay, next we have this, mixed numbers. So paano naman mag-divide ng mixed numbers? Sabi dito sa rule, change mixed numbers to improper fraction and apply the rules in dividing fractions. Okay, ano ba yung rules sa dividing fractions? Diba ginagamit natin, kino-convert natin into multiplication. So example, we have 2 and 1/8 divided by 4 over 7. Anong gagawin? Convert daw or change mixed numbers into improper fraction. So, ang gagawin natin is to multiply 2 and 8. So the answer is 16 and then add 1, it will become 17. And then copy the denominator which is 8. And then multiply, isulat natin yung 4 over 7. Okay, so isulat natin ulit, that is equal to 17 over 8 times the reciprocal of 4 over 7 is 7 over 4. Now compare, wala silang common factor parehas, kaya let us proceed to multiplication. So 17 times 7 is equal to 119. And 8 times 4 is equal to 32. Okay, nakita natin na ang ating sagot ay isang improper fraction. So 119 divided by 32 para ma-reduce natin sa lowest term. That is equal to 3 and the remainder is 23. And copy the denominator. So we have 3 and 23 over 32. So, yung fraction dito na part ng ating mixed number na sagot ay wala ng common factor dahil ang 23 ay odd number, ang 32 ay even number. Okay, another example, we have 3 over 5 divided by 4 and 2 over 3 or 2/3. So, same process. Anong gagawin natin? 3/5, change the operator, times 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2, that is 14, divided by, copy the denominator, what is 3. Okay, rewrite again. So that is equal to 3 over 5 or 3/5 times the reciprocal of 14 over 3 is 3 over 14. Now, compare and cancel out common factors. So dito, walang common factors. So let us proceed to multiplication. 3 times 3 is 9 and 5 times 14 is 70. Okay? Yan. I hope may natutunan naman kayo sa ating aralin. Hanggang sa muli, maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na pagsubaybay at panonood sa ating mga videos. God bless!